Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix iPhone's stuck on white screen problem. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first fix, go ahead and try to perform a forced restart, as the standard turn off slider right here won't work. You would need to go ahead and force restart. And to go ahead and force restart, press and quickly release the volume up button, followed by the volume down. After that, go ahead and hold the side key right here, or power button, for about 10 to 15 seconds until the screen goes black and the Apple logo appears. Now, once the Apple logo appears, let it go. Again, tap, tap, hold until the Apple logo appears. And once that's done, just wait for your phone to boot up and check if it works. Now, if that still will work, try the 3-finger tap trick. Okay, so if your screen is entirely white, but you can still hear notification sounds or feel vibrations, your zoom accessibility feature might be glitching and magnifying a blank white web page or an app background. So double tap the screen with 3 fingers. Again, double tap the screen with 3 fingers simultaneously. And if zoom was the culprit, this gesture will instantly zoom the screen back out to its normal view. All right. And lastly here, you can go ahead and try to check for low storage or battery drain. If an iPhone with a severely depleted battery or a completely full storage can get stuck in a boot loop or freeze on a white setup screen. So go ahead and plug your iPhone into a wall charger using a certified cable, of course, and let it charge completely undisturbed for at least 30 minutes. Now, if your phone was stuck trying to finish a background update, providing steady power will give the system enough juice to process the installation. Now, what if that still won't work? Well, the last method that we can try, at least in our homes, we can go ahead and try to use the recover mode by using a computer, if you have a spare computer or a laptop. Okay? Now, for that, you can go ahead and check our channel out. We have a separate video for it. Alright, so that's it for now. That is how you fix iPhone stuck on white screen problem. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.